Good morning, Writing 394. This is Professor Anderson. I want to share with you a little bit about where you can find your feedback for your rough draft of writing assignment number 1, the communication inhibitors, and how you can use it or what you should do with it. So you'll notice in the assignments folder, there are 2 separate folders for writing assignment number 1. One is for the rough draft and one is for the final. The rough draft was due yesterday and the final is not due till next Sunday. So if you've accidentally uploaded it into the final folder, don't panic, don't worry about it at all. These are time stamped, so I won't evaluate as your final grade for writing assignment number 1, the early submission. I will look at the dates to make certain that I do the last submitted paper. So inside of this rough draft, what your paper will look like, this is from my view, what I look like. I see your paper on the side, and then over here is an opportunity for me to type in feedback. And this is where you will find a link that is a screencast of just your paper. And it will share for you, what the things that I saw in there that I was like, this is spot on, and other things that I saw in there that I want to recommend that you review or revisit. So that's what you're looking for in terms of feedback in this first paper, and actually with all of the papers. And from my view, this is where you'll find it, in a feedback box in the lower right-hand corner. So I hope that was helpful for you to understand where to find the feedback and what to do with it. So there's no grade on your rough draft. You are simply to integrate that feedback into your rough draft, and then thus turning it into a final copy, and then uploading that final copy into the final folder. All right, I hope that was helpful.